Tired of limited payment options holding back your Teachable empire? This video will show you how to integrate Plaid with Teachable to potentially enhance your payment options for your students. However, it's important to note that Teachable doesn't directly integrate with Plaid. Plaid is primarily used for connecting bank accounts for things like ACH payments or verifying financial information, so we'll explore potential workarounds. First, log into your Teachable account and navigate to your school's dashboard. This is where you control all aspects of your online courses and school settings. Look for the Settings tab, usually located on the left-hand side. Then, find the Payment Gateways option within the settings. Click on it. Teachable primarily supports Stripe and PayPal as direct payment gateways. Since direct Plaid integration isn't available, consider using Stripe. Stripe does offer ACH payments, which can leverage Plaid for bank account verification on Stripe's side, offering your students a way to pay directly from their bank accounts. To enable ACH payments, go to your Stripe dashboard and activate ACH debit payments within your Stripe settings. Plaid may be used by Stripe in the background to securely link and verify bank accounts during the ACH setup. By setting up ACH through Stripe, your Teachable students will then see ACH as a payment option on your Teachable checkout page, offering them a convenient alternative to credit cards and PayPal. Now, if you're looking to incorporate Plaid in the sense of using a Plaid design, head to your course branding settings in Teachable. You can upload custom course banners, logos, and choose color schemes that reflect a Plaid-like aesthetic, incorporating patterns and color combinations that evoke a sense of visual texture and boldness.